Okay, I am making my go-to meal, which is fried rice. Here I have leftover rice, which I'm just kind of breaking up. I'm gonna use frozen ground beef that I had in the freezer, and since it is frozen, I'm going to thaw it by microwaving for a minute at a time until it is thawed. I microwaved my meat for a minute and a half, and it has thawed. I had this bit of onion in the fridge. I'm gonna dice and put in the fry pan. Okay, I'm gonna put that into the fry pan. I'm just gonna stir this up until they're a bit translucent. I'm putting about this much. Just gonna break this up and cook it. You can use whatever meat that you have on hand. I've used shrimp, sliced deli ham, sausage, Spam, just whatever that you have. Okay, my meat is almost done cooking. At this point, I'm going to add my frozen vegetable mix here. There we go. And I'll just cook that. I usually always have the frozen vegetables in my freezer, but if you don't, you can just put diced carrots or canned peas, whatever other vegetables that you have. It's really simple. Okay, now when I'm ready to add the rice, I make space in the middle like this, and then I'm going to add the rice to that space there. I've added my rice. I'm just going to break it up and just try to mix it all together well. To help break up the rice, at this point, I'm going to add sesame oil. And this will help coat the rice and break it up. Okay. Gonna start incorporating all the ingredients together while I still break up the big chunks of rice. I have two versions of the fried rice that I make. I have one salt based and one soy sauce based. Today I'll show you the salt based. The salt version of the fried rice gives a more clean, simple taste and reminds me a lot of a typical Korean fried rice for me. My soy sauce version is more of a umami Chinese fried rice style, so it really depends on what you want that day. Once it's all good and mixed up, I'm going to add my salt. And it's just, you taste as you go. So mix this up, I'm going to taste it and see if I need to add any more salt. Okay, that was, I tasted it and that was enough salt. I just cracked a little bit of pepper on here also. So once I mix this up, it is all ready to be plated. So here's the fried rice that I put on a plate. I'm just going to fry 2 eggs up and put that on top to finish this up. Since I don't want an extra bowl to wash, I'm just making fried egg. However, a lot of the times I will beat the egg and then make a thin round omelet to put on top of the fried rice. Top it with ketchup, and that's an omurice, which I like to eat in the morning a lot of times. Today this is our dinner because I am tired and also don't have a lot of ingredients in the fridge, so this is just my go-to on days like that. My fried egg is done. I'm just going to put this right there next to the fried rice. And that is it. Very simple, easy fried rice.